Hi there, thanks for joining us today. Today I'm going to be creating a garland using one of our DIY Christmas garland kits. Now this is going to be a really sort of traditional garland, so it's using spruce and fruit and cones, everything that you associate with Christmas. You get everything that you need all in one DIY kit. So it'd be ideal perhaps for the centre of your dining table, for a mantelpiece, for your stairway. There are other kits available online as well, so if you wanted to complement what you're doing here, buy one of our other kits to actually perhaps create a wreath or a tree. But go to our website, which is www.trianglenursery.co.uk, where you see all of the kits that are available to you. And have fun and get creative. So in the kit, you will receive a bundle of spruce, some dried fruit, some cones, some rope, some twine, some wires, and then the only additional thing that you will need is a pair of scissors. So let's get cracking and I'll show you how to put it together. you can see, I've reached the centre. I did mark that earlier, as you can see. So I'm just going to finish off for the moment. Just going to tie this off. Then I'm going to flip the garland around and start from the other end, working in. So repeating exactly the same process until we meet in the middle. I'm going to leave that end loose so I can tie off when I come through to the other end. Okay. So I hope that's inspired you to get creative this Christmas. As always, I have some top tips for you. So top tip number 1, you could actually personalise this if you wanted to, with berries or ribbons, bows, or fairy lights. Top tip number 2, you could also add other foliage if you wanted to. Perhaps you want to match up with some of your other decor, perhaps you've created a wreath that's got different types of foliage in. So yeah, you can always add other greenery. Perhaps conifer maybe, Pinus strobus, holly, mistletoe. The options are endless. And you can find all sorts of inspiration on our website. That's www.trianglenursery.co.uk. So get subscribing, go over to our YouTube channel for lots more inspirational ideas. Like us, share us, and comment in the box below because we love to get your feedback. Thanks so much for watching. I hope we've inspired you today, and we'll see you again very soon. Bye.